students, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do linear equation in one variable. Our learning objectives are linear equations and rule for solving them. Then transposition and application of linear equation to practical problems. And mathematics, an equation is the statement of equality containing one or more variable. Solving the equation consists of determining which value of the variable make the equality true. Variables are also called unknowns, and the values of the unknowns that satisfy the equality are called the solution of the equation. There are two kinds of equation, identity and condition equation. The identity equation is true for all the values of variable. The conditional equation is true for only particular value of variable. Next is linear equation. A linear equation with one variable is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus b equals to c, where a, b and c are the real numbers and a is not equals to 0. Linear equation is also first degree equation because the exponent on the variable is understood to be 1. For example, 4x plus 3 equals to 7. That is a linear equation. Next, rule for solving linear equation. Without changing the equality, we can add the same number on the both sides of equation, subtract the same number from both sides of equation, multiply both sides of equation by the same non-zero number, divide both sides of equation by the same non-zero number. These rules are applied in such a way that we end up with only the unknown or the variable appearing on one side of equation. Next is fact 5. Algebra is the branch of mathematics which deals with the relation and properties of the number by means of letters and other general symbols. Next is transposition. Any term of equation may be taken from one side to other side with the change of its sign. Means एक side से दूसरे side में जाएगी, its value will not change but sign will change. This does not affect the equality of statement. The process is called transposition. For example, solve 3x plus 3 equals to 18. So 3x plus 3 equals to 18. So variable part को एक side में रखेंगे and constant वाले को other side में. So 3x and 3, the constant part we change its side में जाएगा positive and negative हो जाएगा 18 minus 3. So 3x equals to 15. So value of variable x equals to 15 upon 3, that is 5. Now we will check left hand side 3x plus 3. So we will put the value of x equals to 5. So 3 into 5 plus 3, that is 18. That is equals to RHS. Means our answer is correct. Hort's question. Consider the following simultaneous equation. 2x plus y equals to 6 and x equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2y. Now substitute 2 into 1 means 2 में हमने x की जगह वैल्यू रखनी है 1 minus 1 upon 2y. So 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 2y plus y equals to 6. So 2 minus y plus y equals to 6, minus y plus y cancel हो जाएगा, 2 equals to 6. So do you know where is the problem lie? We have to find the value of the variable, but in this we cannot find the value of variable. Clear? Practice all these examples here. Next, some important observations. Any value of variable which make the statement of equation 2 is called its solution or the root. An equation is the statement of equality which contain the variable or an unknown quantity. Without changing equality, we can add the same number on the both sides of equation, subtract same number on the both sides of equation, multiply both the sides of equation with the same non-zero number, divide both the sides of an equation by the same non-zero numbers. By transposition, the term we mean changing its sign and taking it to the other side of the equation. Next is exercise 8.1. Solve the following equation and check your result. 5x minus 3 equals to 3x minus 5. So our equation is 5x minus 3 equals to 3x minus 5. So what we'll do, वेरिएबल को हम एक साइड कर देंगे एंड कांस्टेंट को एक साइड. So 5x, 3x come this side, it become minus 3x minus 3x, that is equals to minus 5 and 3 will come this side plus 3. So 5x minus 3x, that is equals to 2x equals to minus 2. So x equals to minus 2 upon 2, that is equals to minus 1. Now the value of x equals to minus 1. Now we'll put the value. Suppose LHS 5x means 5 into minus 1 minus 3, that is equals to minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. Is to minus 8. Now right hand side will put the value RHS, that is 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So minus 3 and minus 5, that is equals to minus 8, means LHS equals to RHS. That means our answer is correct. Clear? Next is application of linear equation to practical problems. Practical problems involve relation between known and unknown quantities. These word relations are translated into an algebraic expression. We'll take an example. After 12 years, Ravi will become 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. Find the present age. Suppose the present age of Ravi is x years. Now, after 12 years, so after 12 years, his age will be x plus 12 years. Now, 4 years ago, Ravi age, that is x minus 4 years. Ravi will become 3 times as old as 4 years ago. So 4 years ago इसकी age क्या थी? x minus 4. So our equation is x plus 12 equals to 3 times हो जाएगा ना, 3 into x minus 4. Solve करेंगे. So x equals to 12 year. That is the present age of Ravi. Clear? Next, solve the puzzle. You can find out the age of your friend without being told by asking your friend, or carry out the following instructions in the given order. Write down your age, add 5 to it, double the result, add 10 to it, multiply the result by 5, subtract 100 from it. Ask your friend to give you, find result and cross out the last digit to obtain your friend's age. Try this mathematical game with different people. Do you always get their age right? If so, can you explain why? So try this activity, you will find the answer. Clear? Next, these examples, you have to practice them. Next is exercise 8.2. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. Suppose, let the number, one number equals to x. So other number exceed by 3 and their sum is equals to 95. So our equation x plus 3 equals to 95. So x plus x, 2x equals to 95 minus 3. So 2x equals to हो जाएगा 92, x equals to 92 upon 2, that is 46. One of the number, that is 46, the other number is x plus 3. So one number, or we can write one number, that is 46, other number 46 plus 3, 46 plus 3 करेंगे, that is 49. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. multiple choice questions. Take the correct option for which equation is 1/3 a solution. So for C 1/3 will be a solution because W equals to हो जाएगा 1/6 minus 1/6, साइड चेंज करेंगे प्लस 1/6, that is equals to 2/6 or that is equals to 1/3. So C is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.